Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play WWE 2K23 on PC. First, let's ensure your computer is ready for the action. You'll need a 64-bit operating system, like Windows 10 or 11, and at least 8 GB of RAM. For graphics, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 680 or AMD Radeon RX 280 or better is recommended to experience the game at its best. Make sure you have enough storage space, around 60 GB, for the installation. Once your system is ready, it's time to get the game. You can purchase WWE 2K23 digitally from popular PC gaming platforms such as Steam or the Epic Games Store. After your purchase, simply download the game, which typically requires around 60 GB of free space. Follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to install it. A stable internet connection will make this process quick and easy, getting you into the ring faster. For the best experience, a controller is highly recommended. Connect your Xbox or PlayStation gamepad or any other compatible controller to your PC. Within the game settings, you can customize your controls and fine-tune the graphics. Adjusting settings like resolution, texture quality, and anti-aliasing can significantly impact performance. Aim for a smooth frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second, for the most responsive gameplay. Now that you're set up, it's time to dominate the ring. Start with the in-game tutorial to grasp the core mechanics and controls. Practice your signature moves and finishers in the training arena to perfect your timing. Dive into exciting modes like my GM, Universe mode, or my Rise for a deep single-player experience. When you're ready, challenge friends or other players worldwide in online multiplayer matches for endless fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.